why does definition people living with disabilities not sit well with you?
Yeah. To say that someone is disabled, it means that that person, we have withdrawn the ability from that person to do anything. When we look at it that way, the world becomes a very harsh world. If we go further, we look at the word disability in itself. Again, to be disabled means that you are incapable of performing any task. Someone without an arm or a leg can very well talk and think. I believe that the word disability in itself is a wrong word to attribute to someone with a special need.
And you call them people of determination.
Yes. Because it takes determination to, despite the fact that you have to face a world that is very harsh against you, you choose to continue living without limits.